Hi students, welcome to online class. Students, we are learnt already in our previous class the important parts of the plant, that is flower leaf. Okay, so this class we will study about flower. So I think you are seeing many different types of flower. Yes or no, student? So this class we will study one important topic about the flower. Student, flower is there. It's a most attractive and colorful part of the plant. I think all parts of the plant comparing to flower is the most attractive and colorful part of the plant. That's why people are like this one. And that flower is there, actually that is seed box of the plants. We call flower is the seed box of the plants. And flowers are attracted by the bright colors and the pleasant scent. Yes students, just you have to take the smell from flower is the attracted by the bright colors and pleasant scent. And this flower is there, it's have nectar in them. This nectar is there, food for the bees and butterflies. This is nectar. So this is food for the bees and butterflies. Why there be insects to attract the flowers? Because insects help to carry the pollen. Pollen means what? Yellow powder substance. This yellow powder substance carry the pollen. We call pollen. This carry the pollen to other flower. Which one have to transfer? That one. Insects. Insects help to carry the pollen to the other flower. This helps flowers to make seeds. How their flowers can convert into seeds? This is all process. Because insects are to put on the flower. Why? Because they are attracted from the nectar. In the nectar having one pollen is there. This is carry the pollen to the other flower from the insects. That moment when pollen transfer from one flower to other flowers, it make seeds. And this whole process we called pollination. Keep in your mind students. And one more important topic about in this class, that is fruits and seeds. Fruits store the seeds in them. Just you look the students, any fruit, it how you call that it is fruit? That is in the according in our science, any structure that hold the seed or seeds is called fruits. That's why fruits are stored in them. The seeds grow into new plant. Every seeds grow into new plants. I am asking one question, you students. Name some fruits that have only one seeds. Just to think the student, name some fruits that have only one seed. Yes, I am writing now here. Mango. Yes. Are you at the mango? Yes, mango having only one seed. And one more is there. Which one? Neem. So many are there, not only two here. Just I give one example here. Okay. And second question, name some fruits that have many seeds. I hope you are telling some answer very easily this question, because many fruits having so many seeds. Examples, apple and papaya. Yes. And one more last questions. Can you think of a fruit that has no seeds? Any fruits is there, students without seeds? Yes, is there. Can I give one example? Banana. So banana, it don't have any seeds, but we call that is fruits. So that is also there. So apart from this, students, plants are not only help these parts of these parts like leaf, flower, fruits and seeds, fruits. Not only this, it also helps. Apart from these things, plants give us shade. plants give us shade, and it also help keep the place cool, and plants help us to bring in more rain. So I think students, you are understood this whole class. Just I'm one more time I am just recapping whole the class about the flower. And the flower is the attracted and colorful parts of the plant, and flower have nectar in them. It is attracted by the insects, and this in the inside the pollen, inside the nectar, one pollen is there. It carry from one flower to another flower from the insects, then it converted into seeds. This process is called pollination. And fruits are stored inside seed in them. Fruits store the seeds in them. The seeds grow into new plants. So I think you are understood this whole class. Thank you, students.